Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Building GUI Applications in Python, a Comprehensive Guide to Tkinter. Introduction. Graphical User Interfaces, GUIs, play a crucial role in modern software development, providing users with an intuitive way to interact with applications. In the Python ecosystem, Tkinter stands out as a powerful and easy-to-learn library for creating GUIs. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of Tkinter, covering essential concepts and providing code examples to help you get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Tkinter is included in the standard library, so no additional installation is required. Import Tkinter. To start using Tkinter, import the library in your Python script. Create the main application window. The Tk class creates the main window of your application. Adding widgets. Tkinter provides various widgets like labels, buttons, entry fields, etc., to build your GUI. Here's an example of adding a label and a button to the window. Layout management. Tkinter uses geometry managers to arrange widgets in the window. The pack method organizes widgets in blocks before placing them in the parent widget. Event handling. Define functions to handle events like button clicks. Once you've added widgets, layout, and event handlers, run the main event loop to display the GUI. Tkinter is a versatile and widely used library for creating GUI applications in Python. This tutorial has covered the basics of setting up a Tkinter application, adding widgets, managing layout, and handling events. As you explore Tkinter further, you'll discover more advanced features and possibilities for creating interactive and user-friendly applications. Happy coding! ChatGPT.